You're supposed to sit by your brother. Oh, Zadie. Here. So Mommy can take a picture of both of you. Can you say cheese?
No.
Please? Say cheese?
No.
No. Are you being a booger? Zadie, what are you playing with?
Shoes.
Shoes? Whose shoes are those?
Oh.
Whose shoes are those?
Jeans.
Is that Daddy's shoes?
Oh.